ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Hadian bagi sarkar jela kelapan mendapat ba ya ke Hello Meghalaya OTT platform. Mentaka kinting nuan rak syapi ya ke jingrwai bagi Shna Phlim, ki Shna Jingrwai, ki content creator bagi kue-kue ki Riewdonsap, ki bade ki song jangan ni jela, ki beran ye ki sap prepare. Tu mentangnya sengam ayu kini ki Riewdonsap ki dan pankran lingba ke jingasam jongki ya ke sap ke phong ke bakidan.
Hello Meghalaya kedai platform the first time ni kedai very good initiative bekas tangi government yang kiba filmmakers namar ni kedai first time hopo all over India kedai the first time bagi launch po India babun sin kini Hello Meghalaya yarap yang khamtam ki local producer ki bangi Shna film sini namar through kini Hello Meghalaya ngila banyo first ngin ong baik financial support ini. Segawiro kani Hello Meghalaya ka yarap yengi kinong Shna film ro bangin bin Shna gi film ki kham internet ro ki bamur high quality gi film ro kumjo kani ka Hello Meghalaya mde tang kataro segawiro nga shem ha ka jingyak ganti jonga kum filmmakers nga shem like ba kini ki brew ngi khasi jaintia gi garo ni song ni bun sing ni klet no ya ka contain jongi ni keren baik mental ni keren ki basa sesor khamtam gi brew lene ki senong kondong ro gila pendon kamet dikitin pareng baik di English ke la long dominate baik mental la long dominate ha ka kiten ka khana hinrei ngit lang ba ondang ila Shna gini ka film ndai tang bangi pen ya ka culture jongi hinrei ngi pen ro ya ka ngan ongum no ngila ban pen ro ya ka ni ka kiten ka khana linguistic jongi marbur sin ngi ha ni schedule jongi le dingim burom mi gini ka kiten jongi kumnu pat ngin ikwi lenti bangin yo recognition gi way haba tangi kiten jongi ro ngi patnang kani ka Hello Meghalaya ka yarap yang iskawero kolong kani ka big platform bangin pen iro ya ka bangi don habo Meghalaya kum kani ka landscape jongi kolong kerang suri dau ki pun ki sakai bi tanat ngila ban wide audience kolong the worldwide audience ngani kani ka Hello Meghalaya ka yarap hingi ki bun rukom khamtam mi gini kinong Shna film ki barang mai ki ba khamtam mi film producer ki bala rim ki la ban pen showcase ki film ki jongki ki gila adap Shna ka nga kami nanti ba langba jong kani ka Hello Meghalaya nga kerpat ki brew ki perlok ki brojor no ban it's a very noble initiative kani bagale ka government mo through kani ka government jongi kalong ba nga don ki perlok jonga ro ki colleagues jonga ki filmmakers like po Assam ki Manipur Mizoram nga yatho iki ni initiative so everyone gale feel ki ong ba ngiro ngide man le like Hello Assam like Hello Manipur tama ngai scam magajing senang jonga government jongi kan I mean sin giveaway kumjo giveaway state baki yarap especially igini gi filmmakers baki ni local producer jongi nga kerceng jonga gede bormi muksor nga la Shna film na do isnem arjar khatsan khandru nga la puli professionally hani ga langi mass communication nga la demni la specialist igini gi filmmaking te manta gi film nga bangale bar kichong ki bru nga la poi life plus 3 film nga la sedang first movie jonga gede scope aden scope is back dan ta ada luch podan hi kamilinya nga kibun gi film hagni ka Hello Meghalaya ro curricular de manta ka Cipor ni kamut hamilinya nga kibun gi film ngala khalar teli ngala dep semit hangdi nga ongi gi paiba ba sngoba pe gi film jongi hagni OTT platform hoi kade gajing sedang kani ka very novel initiative kani mo tangba kajing ya pet pi gini ki film namar menta barok ki bru ki melapor syu mah yang Malaysia cinema pi yo kalong hadin ba feel attention barok si ski pi bon ki kam ki jam menta la pressure ka kam ka jam pila ban shong hayeng relax pet ki film kata yang yarap pi
de kublai pi baro ngang ade ba lansiu simle nganaka LS simle production ngide ki ba ngashi Shna ki music video ki short films nanta ki film semua ti ngadan hang ni atli ki film bangala dep submit hang ni apo hello Meghalaya ba ki dan ki short film bangala submit ki dan ki music video ni ko ngai ngaso ban pau ki sungu ya ka Meghalaya government ba kala ailat ingi ki ba jumlian ban le kini ki ban Shna ki film dan ni kinu ki ban penmi ki sap bangi dan mo dan ni ko ngai ngapan pau ki sungu ya ka sarkar ba bagi Pak Judan menul kumkane kadi kasin baningkong na kamta ka chungi namal ba hadu ki singi ki blalej ke bangi ngile hibet na kapla he jola jong ngim jiyo kinu no ke jingrap na ka sarkar bat hadian bangi ladep ki film dan kinu no ki short film ni music video ngim jiyo jingrap te menta na do ba kila pelaj kila don kani ka hello Meghalaya sisa nga smo dap da ka jingkeman ba ngilala pat ba ki film jongi hadian bangi ladep ban peni hapo cinema hall kum habiju ngilala pat ban ai pat hang ni ban ngilayo ke jingrap mo kapisa ki ai nang ni ba kidon ki film jonga ki ba hapo jong cinema arajar khat khandai arpo dengan ngelayo ka amon kum ba lailak te jong arpo shaneng pan ngio ka jingrap nakani ka hello Meghalaya kum ba sanlang te sisa ka along ke ba ke jingkeman yangi kino Shna film pi kumbang ong mani mat ba ngim jiyo kini no ke jingrap nak sarkar hari kadi kasian baningkong bangiyo ikani hoi kadi sanlak bi ai nak sarkar hari dangi ngi perkhat ya ka bangi lut hoi kadang dona mo hari pat kelalong pat kumbang ong tien mo something is better than nothing tie la dangi plut ba ngi Shna film ngi plut khat sanlak ting la alis ngi layo sanlak ting layo penisa hapo hol alis na hol ngi layo khandiat ti kelalong sya ka jingrap yangi kan bani ka ba mioi ning layo kat dia long kalai rap ha kan yangi ba lamba kan dia pat ngila shu pat ban sedang kan saki we pat ki project ki ba thmai kan hoi kan ni sya kalong ka bai rap sya khamtam mo ha bangi pne film shu mata ngi de film mar ba hajala jungi ki cinema hall kimdan kimpadan ha manta hi ke dei betang ka we po biju ni pni ti kalong ka ba ba nado na ki we district nado na jantia na was nari boy ni nang no kinwan hash long tang man pe film kam de ka basuk iki ti sisa lang ba kan ni ka platform pat kalalong kalat ka kabukan na kamta ki para khasi ba ki jongi ki badan ha ki we pat ki district wala ki long ki kapsor ni kinong kendong kimdong kam sure barkin ha intention bikin wan lut ka pisa ka bai singi jongki bakin late mo menta pat lang ba kan ni ka hello Meghalaya ki pat ba ki jongi meski ki late bela ki late Jakarta kena kelas ki lesha kelas zen biet ki wan hieng ki laban pet kan hakapur baki ki long free time ki shong hieng ki pet ti kalong sisa ka bayar ba hanam ta jongki miswa lada ki let shibu matangin peni ladangin let ko na hasno jongki ni peni ha ki dawar hol ne hang no kalong kapo jongki ki haban flight board dan ki balik bela ki hab i no dan ki ba kumta mo ki balik kelas teng ki haban pep no ting lamba kan ni ka hello Meghalaya ti kimdong kam shu bakin kin pelut ikata kapo jongki extra hadian bagi ladep kinu nu ki kam ki jam ki hapor bagi long free maki ki shong haye ki pet namal bangi ngi Shna ki short film nde bangi Shna kumar kidan ki short film jonga ki banga Shna ki long na kam ta ka awareness kidan kuma husiar ke ba keteng mo kani ka husiar ke banga Shna ka dei kumno bagi khna bapli ki ngop show drugs di kadan kum ka pikir ka ka awareness nga ai kan ki short film jonga ka long ba pi ting haba ki khna ki nya kali haba ki khna ki nya kali ki bat ki mobile phone ki dikian ting ha ka jing bakla kum tu jing song set ki accent ki yap de kani ka short film bang ai pikir ma balang pikir kan kadon pat kami spanga tu ka spanga memori yang Shna kani pa ka de ba pene pensa ki khlau betap ban thong dia abang ipom we thong sho kum kita short film ba ka bang Shna kalong bai na kam ta ka awareness te langba kini ki pai ba ki kini nde tang jonga jong kiwe ki perlo jongi ki ba Shna ki short films ne kini ngi ki Shna hi na kam ta ban bat ai jing mentoi ke imlang salang nak hamtam nak kamta ki we pat ki filmmakers ki bam pat tip ya kani te kin wan hang ni po office la ni kin late lang ba mo kin late lang ba Play Store lang to pila ban page lang ba Play Store pin download Hello Meghalaya te hadin ba pila download Hello Meghalaya te ke sami bat pin sa register hang to pin sa pandap hang to pila ban page ki film kasi ki music video la ni ki short films ane ki nu ki content hang to kidan la ka jong kidan te ngakat pat ki pai ba jong ka jela ri kasi hi ba hoi ba ki bam pat tip lang ba kani ka lat pathai ko bor ba man ta kasi subha da ka si ngakat pat ipi ba subha late lem how Play Store download ya ka apps Hello Meghalaya bat nang to pin sa page ba sa register và hadin ba pila de register sa page kinu ki film ha ba la don hang to pi page don hang to bat ka jing pin page hang to mde ba pi shu page kai de ha ba pi page ka to pin yo ka jing matoi shibon ka jing matoi ki ba jing snang pi ba pen pi dam ta ka imlang salang khamtan ki culture jongi jongka jela hi jongi ba koi subha ban ya support le mingi ke no Shna film kasi da ba pin ya page lam ha ka ni kalang ba ka Hello Meghalaya lu shibon
ti ga kerteng jonga de lasting nongbri la juga por ngadai producer jeng produce kumba khat sao santili ai hadu menta te hang ni ngila de submit kumba shiputili te hadu menta te dang saji tang laitili te habaya dai bakaniga Hello Meghalaya kumyangi kinong Shna film isngo bakala ayarap hasibon bat kalong kumka jing ai mensi bengi bangin nang continue susu igani jing Shna film nomor bangi hab bandon kampan ki bapej igani ga film kasi jongi kin tip ba o ngi kasi rungi don kasap ki talent ki bandang ban shat ban ruai ban tem ban put te lingba gani OTT platform ke ba penyai dag Hello Meghalaya kum yanga asimat kum nong Shna film bat ngala ak rubun teli ki film ki bakhaman shwa te ngasengo bakala ajeng mentoi sibon ya kini ki local filmmakers te ngadap jing sukeman ke bakrau ni government ke bala simkhia ni ka kam te kawai bat ga jing ya kendu jing jongi ha kawai kaliang kalong ba ngimdon ya ka hol bangin yo ban pin i ni film ngi Shna ta daw ni ya pen isakama shakin nong kendong kum to te ngakerpat ba government kan simkhia ya kan ka kam jongi nomor 5 gani ka kam Shna film ngi yo ban ai kam ai jami kena samla ki badan sab akibun ki liang te ngasngo ba kani ka jing launch kani ka Hello Meghalaya ya kani ki platform kalong ke ba yang ngasimet bat gangit scam ba borok ki nong Shna film ni pok ri khasia kasi jengtia ngai scam galong jing mentoi ki babun bat ka ya rap ingi bengin yo jing mentoi ling ba jing siu jong ni ka Hello Meghalaya ling ba ko OTT tin ba takadaw nagling jonga hi ngadap je sukemen bat kum baki wiki ki badon bon ki sap ki talent kum tu ki ba launch ki yo award ki yo bai le gitu ki ai ki bai renang syong no kat badai te galong jing ai mensim ki kena ki Riewdonsap akibon ki liang te tang itai bang sengo kemen ba ilayo ben da last ilayo ben launch ni ka Hello Meghalaya bat ki beri menta ki lasdang yo ben page ki film ki khasi hi jongi baro ko bai
kublaya pi baro ngadai kong laki di kharsati General Secretary jong Meghalaya Filmmakers Association te ngadap jing sukumen bakrau khamtam ya government bakala alat ingi kum kani ka initiative ban play kani ka OTT platform ka Hello Meghalaya te ga long ka wei ga jing yarap na menta jungi ki nong Shna film mar kum ki por ki barim men shwa ngim juyo jing yarap e ru em na ka liang jong ka sarkar ten dai menta da jing play kani ka platform ila yo lan ber khamtam ru ki film ki barim ki baja ki rim ki jong yidu ki dang pedang hadu menta ki dang pedang man sim ki dang ai ru yangi ki jing mentoy te kani ka ai men sim yangi bagi nang Shna shu ki film bagi nang penmi shu ki film ban khamba nang ni shahmat hoy ngaku bor bagi film barim jongi ki dong low in quality namar bagi don ta kalat klenti bagi yo kita ki technician sende bagi yo kita ki brio ki babiang ban shoot ban biang nam ta ki film jongi dan dai mentan lung ba ka jing plela jo government kumne de singila ban khampan bha shu ki film jongi ban ka ju ko poru karpat iki nong kersan jongi ki nong pe ki film khasi bakin nang yai kersan yangi bakin download de kani ka app ban ai mesim yangi basaka wei du karpat ipi ba song bha ba pin re upload ya kini ki content ki badon ha ka Hello Meghalaya da pile ha kani ka dor ko long film pen do nong tang yangi dai wat ka government du kan do nong datang ini hijing kerpat berit nak yang kejonga bersubha ai mesim yangi dan ba download ka Hello Meghalaya te hadu menta ngala penmi khat santeli ki film but mentah kidang upload tang lai tadi film jonga haka Hello Meghalaya ti ki batam balai kidang ya haka preview session. So hopefully kirmen ba kita ki film baru aru namar bagi tip bagi padba kita kuat ban pe ki film ki barim bujongi wala da kalong pen haka low quality ndai ki don pada ki jing seneng haman lagi film ki bangi Shna tukum ta kirmen ba ki padba kin ai ke jing kersan kenang bidang la bangin Shna su kum kini ki jaj film ban ngin kinti we ka ri ber ka jaj ban ri ber khamta me ka riti ka dostur ka jongi ki khasi publishibon.
My name is Damiki Kerekhasati and I am a filmmaker, director and a musician. And first of all, I would like to thank the government of Meghalaya for introducing this platform in this state. I have actually submitted 3 of my films in this Hello Meghalaya app, and the name of the film is Shna, Lily and Jingrwai. And talking about this OTT platform, before I get to that, as a filmmaker, before this OTT was ever what do I say? Before this platform was introduced in this state, we kind of faced a lot of difficulties because we have invested in our short films, either short films or a feature film, but then we didn't know where to how to get back the investment that we have made. Since as of now, I'm still young and I'm still a young filmmaker, and I'm not even sure how to have any ideas on how to get back what we have invested, and so we kind of got lost track there. But then ever since this platform has been launched, I feel this is a good start, and I feel it's giving us more opportunities to create more contents, not just filmmakers, even content creators, influencers, musicians, anyone who's based in this creative field. I feel this is the right time for us where we have to improve more of our skills in terms of in this creative field. Okay, most my films are actually based on fiction, but then they're kind of something very vast and very different. I like to write films based on something which is happening in this real world, but then we don't know what's happening. But through films, we can actually tell the entire community see, this is happening here, this is happening right now. I mean, I'm not saying, I'm not picking up names or whatever, but then some of the things that are happening in this world, we can't see it on social media as well, or maybe on the news channel, but then through films, we can actually portray what's happening in the entire world, or what's happening around the state and around the culture. So those are the kind of films I made, I think 2 months ago. But then now we're also working on something non-fiction, but the non-fiction is something very difficult for us and very complex to make, because we have to do a lot of research, and it'll take years and years. And I hope that through this OTT platform can also help us make it happen. They'll also, I know they will accept non-fiction films as long as we have the right information based on the culture or whatever it is. So I hope that this can really help us as filmmakers, and even the youngsters, the future filmmakers. And this is, and also I have a message to all the fellow filmmakers. Before this OTT platform was launched, some of the filmmakers I know, they actually quit because they don't know where to put their work. So this is I'm encouraging you all to this is the right time for you to rise up again and submit your films in this platform. And I know that one fine day, what you'll get what you are looking for, and you will achieve what you have been dreaming to achieve. Because in life, if you can dream it, you can always achieve it. And if you can dream it, you can do it. I would like to encourage all the people to not just watch my film in this platform, but also support all the films which is included there. And the registration is very simple. You can just download the app from Play Store, which is called Hello Meghalaya. You just follow a few steps, register, and then you can find all the movies that have been made by the filmmakers all around the state. So that is how you can see what we have as as us local filmmakers. And there is where there are a few films that I've watched. I mean, I've seen a lot of movies before this platform. I feel they have improved a lot. I feel before this platform was ever launched, a few years back, those were it's like a learning curve for us. And the moment when I saw these movies in this platform, I was mind blown, because the quality has changed, the skill set has changed. It was the way the movies have been shot were they're like a bit more advanced. The actors have improved, the directors have improved, and I feel like this platform can also really help us learn more of it, learn more about filmmaking, because like there are different kind of directors, different kind of script writers, and that way in this platform we can see what other directors are like, what their point of view, and the other storytellers and different kind of point of view. So that is how you can like go through with this Hello Meghalaya app. I would like to thank the government of Meghalaya for taking this initiative to bring the OTT platform, over-the-top platform, in the state, and I'm pretty sure that it will really help us in the future. Thank you so much.